Hey, Latin 2, eighth grade. How are you? This is Mr. Yagi. We're going to talk about imperatives right now. All right. This one, straightforward, really easy. Let's take a look at what the about the language shows us. Okay. So, an imperative basically is just a command, right? So, if I use this first word that we have here on the page, I've got porto portare. And porto portare means carry. All right. Now, for a command, I don't mean you are carrying the apple in your hand. I don't mean I'm carrying my computer down the hallway. For a command, I mean, hey, you carry this apple. Okay. So I'm commanding you to do this. All right. Now in English, we just say, hey, carry this. Right. In Latin, it's basically the same thing, except for they actually will tell you, Latin will tell you whether we're talking to one person or more than one person. Okay. So for the verb porto portare, the form for the singular command, if I'm just telling one person, hey, carry this, it's really nice because it's the verb porto portare, but without any ending. It's just porta, right? Not portat, not portant, not portabamus, right? It's just porta. That's it. If I want to make it plural, I just add a te. That's all there is to it, guys. So porta or portate. All right. Same thing. Look at a second conjugation verb. Remember, second conjugation verbs are like dokeo, dokere, with that eo in the first principal part and then the long e in the infinitive. So here, same thing. Doke, right now, that e is just because it's the second conjugation. In the third, traho, trahara, duco, ducere. Okay, those the short ere. So notice trahe. All right. And then now the one thing that you would need to worry about in terms of forming the word is this trahe goes to trahite, right? And that's because the stem really ends with the H, and then we add the TE. We just need a vowel to kind of hold its place in the middle. If we look at a fourth conjugation verb, audio, audire, right? So to listen. And again, it's just audi, the verb, the word without any ending, not an O, not an S, not a T, not a ba, nothing. So audi versus audite. All right. So the singular, if I'm talking to one person, the plural, if I'm talking to more than one person. And it's really basically just the word without the ray of the infinitive. That's it. Okay. Now, you can also, just like in English, I can say, hey, don't carry this. All right. Now, in Latin, this is also pretty standard. It's pretty straightforward. If I'm going to tell someone don't do something, I use noli if it's singular. And then if it's plural, I do the same thing that I did up here. I add a te. So nolite. Now, the one thing that you'll need to remember is with noli or nolite, you use the infinitive. Okay. So we're not going to say noli curre. We're going to say noli curre. All right. If I wanted to say don't carry, I would say noli portare. Right. Here's the infinitive portare. Noli docere. Don't teach. Mr. Yagi, don't teach us anything. Noli trahara. Don't drag. Noli adire. Don't listen to me. I don't know why I would ever tell you that. So noli or nolite would be the plural there. So you've got a bunch of examples down here that you can practice with. And let's take a look. We've got euanace, right? They're plural. And so we've got a te here because we're telling the euanace, hey, be quiet, right? Shh, takete, all right? Diligenter just means, carefully, right? Diligently. Labora. All right. Now, we know that that word means to work. For labora, are we telling one person to work, or are we telling multiple people work, right? We know labora means work. Is it singular? Is it plural? And if you guess singular, you're right. The plural, do you know what the plural would be? So remember, we're going to add that te to it. So laborate, all right? So same thing with the rest of these. Practice with these and then look at your buzz quiz and see how you do, okay? Good luck, everybody.